My name is George Dowden. I am the Career Education Program Coordinator here at Cuyacama College, and welcome to Counselor Conference. I'm going to give you an overview of some of the programs we have here at Cuyacama College, especially as it pertains to priority sectors and in-demand, high-wage jobs. In the advanced manufacturing priority sector, we have a few programs. We have our Computer-Aided Design and Drafting Technology program, our CAD technology program, which uses SolidWorks as the 3D modeling software, and also we have 3D printers, our additive manufacturing process, and we've acquired a CNC machine which will be installed on campus soon when we can get clearance because of the COVID protocols to get it installed. And we're really looking forward to that, which will help us expand our additive and CAD programs in the advanced manufacturing field. We use these programs to help in the building design industry and the manufacturing industry. We also integrate our computer and information science program into it, because we need to utilize our computer networking systems in the Internet of Everything. So everything uses the Internet, which we'll talk about when we get to that specific program. The last one is surveying, and this is a highly overlooked program. Most of us recognize surveyors as the people that stand in the street with the tripod, the machine on top looking through it, and that is surveying. But surveying has expanded. We now use drones to fly over bridges and survey the land, which used to take people to manually do it, but now we can use a drone and do it in a quick amount of time. We also, interestingly enough, use surveying for the buildings that are in video games. So when you see a famous building that's in a video game, that was done by surveyors surveying the entire building in a 3D model so that it can be inserted into the video game and be accurate. Kind of an interesting slant on surveying. As far as job opportunities, you can see that the median income is $79,148. But that is when things are normal. But things are not normal, because the average age of a Surveyor 3 in San Diego County is 56 years old, which means they need surveyors. So I'm going to show you a recruiting poster from Caltrans that is hiring entry-level surveyors starting at $60,000. And the minimum qualifications include a certificate as a land surveyor in training or a certificate as an engineer training. And our program helps lead students to getting those certificates. So surveying is an option that is really viable, pays well, and has a lot more opportunities than just standing in the street nearly getting run over by cars. In our Advanced Transportation and Logistics program, we have our Automotive Technology program. And right now we're performing a curriculum update project that includes 6 new degrees and 9 certificates that standardize our program classes. This new design allows us to offer every course every semester and to consolidate our programs. So it increases our stackable degrees and certifications and offers more classes. We have some new certificates: our Engine Performance Specialist, Chassis Specialist, Drivetrain Specialist, Electronics and Electric Vehicle Specialist, Engine Repair Specialist, and one that a lot of people don't think about is the Service Management. Sometimes people like cars, but they don't want to work on cars, but they want to get into the auto dealership service category, and this is where you manage the service order flow, customer flow, parts acquisition, and so these are attributes that a service manager does, and so we have a special program for that. The automotive service technicians and mechanics median yearly earnings are $53,135. And students in our degree programs, especially the Ford Asset Program, do their lab work in an internship with local Ford dealers. So in other words, a student who's going through our program upon completion has already gained a required amount of hours under the Ford Asset Program working at a Ford dealership. So they are job ready the minute they graduate. In our agriculture, water, and environmental technologies programs, we have our environmental health and safety management program and ornamental horticulture. Our EHSM offers degrees and certificates in environmental management and occupational safety and health. And these are opportunities for students to get certificates and degrees in the environmental management area. So whether they want to be an OSHA inspector or work on environmental management and safety, these degrees make you highly employable. In our ornamental horticulture area, we have 8 degrees and certificates. Ornamental horticulture is kind of a misnomer to me. You think of floral design when this comes up, but it's much more than that. We have degree programs in landscape design, arborist training. We have new state-of-the-art facilities that are opening next year. This is a big undertaking, so it's a major overhaul and new facility for our ornamental horticulture program. In 2021, we'll be having lab classes in person on campus with safety protocols, of course. The courses will be hybrid with internet lecture and then lab on campus. When the campus reopens, we have a student-run retail nursery that's very popular with the public. So they propagate and grow the plants and sell them to the public, and that's how we get a lot of our funding. They offer 8 degrees and 9 certificates, and when everything's brand new in 2021, we'll have a 9-acre field site, the largest of any similar program in the region. Last, we have the Center for Water Studies. And the Center for Water Studies is the water and wastewater education area. It offers 6 degrees and certificates, and we work very closely with the industry. Right now, the industry is promoting with our assistance the hiring of women and veterans. And because of that, we have an annual event called Women in Water. You may not know that most of the water executives in the state are women. And so this event is an opportunity for women to come and hear from women leadership in the water industry about careers and jobs available to them. It's a great thing. We have high school students, college students from all over, and community members. It's a highly praised event. And if you would like your students to be aware of it, some classes come from high schools. This is the person to contact, Vanessa Morel, and she will get in touch with you and let you know the details about when it comes up again. Because of our industry relation with the Center for Water Studies, we've been able to develop a field operations service yard. And this is like having a small municipal water system on campus. So where other water systems will show you a valve and say, when you get a job in the industry, you'll be working this valve, you actually get to run a small water system on campus using the same computer software and parts that you will find on the job in a municipal water system. There's not many of these on the West Coast, and so we're lucky to have this, and it gives students an opportunity for real-world training and makes them highly employable when they leave the program. In our information and communication technology and digital media programs, We have our Computer Information Systems department. And in this program, we offer 3 degrees and 8 certificates, and we're expanding into a Palo Alto Network Academy. This is the leader in firewall technology, and we offer courses that lead to certifications in their 3 main certificates. We offer a Red Hat Linux Academy that leads to certification in that. And of course, we have our Cisco Academy, where we get certification training in that. So we're offering industry certification training in a lot of areas. If you have a program where students can earn their A+ certification, we can articulate that into college credit here through our program. So let us know if that's something that you offer, and we can talk about articulating students who complete that into getting Cuyamaca College credit for that. And we're also beginning our Microsoft Academy courses that lead to Azure certifications, which is a certification for cloud platforms for Microsoft. In our graphic design, we offer a degree in graphic design. We offer certificates in graphic design, digital photography, and web graphics. And our new certificates are in visual and vector design and digital design. You can see that network support specialists and people involved in the computer information systems careers earn a median yearly earning of $127,530. And we look at it holistically. We don't just think of computer networking, but we're talking about the Internet of Things, as I mentioned. So your Ring doorbell requires programming, your refrigerator that tells you when you're out of milk and what you need to buy weekly. And I don't know, having a refrigerator that's smarter than me is a little too much, but that's where the Internet of Things takes place. So there's more than just computer networking, but being able to program for cars, appliances, and other things that are used in daily life. And graphic designers, desktop publishers, and photographers, the yearly median salary is $52,620. In our business and entrepreneurship, we have degrees in accounting, business administration, business administrative assistant, executive assistant, and we have an entrepreneurship program. And in this entrepreneurship program, we have craft industries entrepreneurship, which is a specialized track for entrepreneurship that prepares you to own or run a small craft business. In our entrepreneurship and small business management, students can earn either an associate's degree or a certificate in entrepreneurship, small business management. And a lot of these courses can also be applied to the certificate in craft industries entrepreneurship, which focuses on craft businesses that are a staple of San Diego. Those are goods that are handmade by artisans or those that are skilled in a particular trade. We have business degrees, 3 of them actually, some for transfer and 1 for those who do not want to continue to a 4-year institution, and a management program. Something that's new is our Business 113 course, the Gig Economy, the New Entrepreneurial Path. For those who want to get into gig work, whether it's driving for Uber or Lyft or the gig jobs that are available, how do you manage it? How do you start it? How do you run yourself? This is a course that's really pertinent to today's workplace. That's a new course that we're offering now. So you can see the salaries there that are designed for the careers from our certificates and degrees. Well, that's an overview of our priority sector programs here at Cuyamaca College. If you have any questions about them, please give me a call. My contact information is right there, and I look forward to hearing from you. You can also find lots of information about our career education programs by going to our webpage at cuyamaca.edu/career-education. Thanks for being here.